Now, if you have an 80 series Land Cruiser, or in my case, a 97 Lexus LX450, you might be having some trouble with this ignition ring here. You can see this rubber deteriorates and gets brittle and it breaks. There is a solution. This company, Solve Function, came up with a replacement ring, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to install. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to replace this ignition ring in a 97 Lexus LX450. This will be the same, of course, for an 80 series Land Cruiser. Now, I'm not even sure if this piece is still available from Toyota or Lexus. You might be able to find some new old stock, or maybe even another model will work. But I came across this company right here called Solve Function, and they've got lots of different things that they make for these 80 series Land Cruisers. Again, this is a 97 Lexus LX450, but it's really the same thing as an 80 series Land Cruiser. But they came up with this 3D printed ring that will snap in around your ignition and take the place of this rubber ring that's all broken. Now, this is going to come packaged or shipped with this little C-shaped piece around it. That's just to protect this ring in shipping. So we can go ahead and toss this piece here. And installation really is simple. This ring right here, if it's already broken away, sometimes they fall down inside and you don't even have to worry about it. You can just snap the new ring in place. If yours is cracked like this, it might just come out maybe with some needle nose pliers. You can just kind of give it a tug and pull it out. See, mine's just kind of breaking apart in pieces. Now, I talked to Lee at Solve Function, and he said, you know, you might be able just to break this out the rest of the way and pull some of these pieces off. You know, it'll probably fall down inside behind here. But I'm going to show you how easy it is to take this piece off, along with this piece, in case you do need to get behind there or yours is not coming out very easily. Now, there's only 4 screws that hold on this lower panel, and of course, it's also clipped in place, but we'll take those screws out first. All right, and then we can just pull this piece down. We still are connected to the speaker and these pull cables here for the fuel tank and for the hood release, but that's okay. We're just going to leave this down right like that. All right, this piece is next. We can pull all of this off, just kind of gradually work that towards you. I'm going to start here at the side. And then it looks like it comes out okay. You don't even have to take this all the way off. There's our rubber trim piece. It's just kind of falling out the back. So here's the remainder of what we had, and you can see it's just kind of crumbling away. And it looks like we've got a little cutout on the top, and the piece from Solve Function has a little similar cutout. You see this right here? It's like a little tab, and that's what needs to line up with this piece right here. So let's go ahead and just line this up, snap this back in. And look how much nicer that looks. Now, they ask if you have the courtesy light, which mine does. And of course, you can tell them what color you want too. Let's snap that bottom piece back on and call this good. Now, the only reason we took the bottom piece off is because it goes on the outside. It's got a little tab right here that plugs in. All right, then we can put these screws back in. And there it is. Looks good. Happy with how that turned out. Nice little touch there on the Lexus LX450 or 80 series Land Cruiser. Definitely looks nice, a lot better than that cracked ring that was here. I'm real happy with that. Super simple install. You definitely don't need to take this panel off. It's just, I'm kind of OCD and I didn't want that broken piece kind of stuck behind the dash, so I just figured it's just 4 screws and a little bit of extra effort to pull this piece off. I'm glad that I did, because I also noticed that tab, how that would line up, and definitely an easy job. But hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link to this company, Solve Function. Now, Solve Function makes a few other things for 80 series Land Cruisers and Lexus LX450s. I'll probably be doing a couple other videos on some of their stuff, but just want to give them a quick little shout out at solvefunction.com, and I'll get a link in the description as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.